हाँ जी बेटे, नेक्स्ट इज वन वर्ड. Next are our one word. First is the set of teeth in a child. They are called, that set of teeth is called milk teeth. The hardest substance in the human body is enamel. This is a GK based question. The hardest substance in the human body is enamel. A yellow sticky layer that germs form on teeth when we eat food at night and we don't brush our teeth and go to sleep as it is. So then a yellow color layer starts forming on our teeth, that is called plaque. Means bacteria start forming on our teeth. वो bacteria की layer होती है. The organ that helps to remove fecus from the body. I have already told you which organ, that is anus. An instrument that we use to see microbes. Microbes, they cannot be seen with the naked eyes. They are only seen with the help of an instrument that is called microscope. Next, answer the following questions. What are the different types of teeth? There are mainly 4 types of teeth. Incisors, canines, molars, premolars. Incisors, canines, molars, and premolars. 4 type of teeth. Describe the structure of a tooth. Now, what is the structure of a tooth? See बेटे, a tooth had 2 parts. ऊपर वाला जो that is crown and the down part is called root. Crown, it contains enamel, that is the hard substance. Enamel. Then below the enamel lies the dentine. Dentine के नीचे then comes a root part, जो root है. Root में क्या होता है? Gums that holds our teeth. Then comes this pulp. Pulp comes in the root, that is the central part of our tooth, and it contains blood vessels and nerves. So our tooth contains 2 parts. The upper part is the crown, the down part is the root. Crown में क्या है? Enamel. The upper part is the crown. Down is root. Root में आते हैं हमारे gums. Gums hold the teeth. First हार्ड सब्सटेंस व्हाइट पार्ट जो दिखता है हमारे टीथ को, डेट इज इनेमल. इनेमल के नीचे आ जाता है डेंटाइन. दिस इज डेंटाइन. देन जो सेंट्रल पार्ट है हमारे टूथ का, डेट इज पल्प. उसे बोलते हैं पल्प. व्हाट इज प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द पल्प? ब्लड वेसल्स एंड नर्व्स. सो इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द सॉफ्टेस्ट पार्ट, क्योंकि इसमें ब्लड वेसल्स हैं. दैट इज द सॉफ्टेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ आवर टूथ. नाउ राइट एनी 5 ways हाउ कैन वी प्रोटेक्ट आवर teeth. 5 ways to protect our teeth. That is very simple. Brush your teeth twice a day. Brush them in the up and down motion. Rinse your mouth well after meals. Eat food that is healthy for your teeth and gums, like milk, eggs, curd and vegetables. Don't eat fast food. Avoid eating too many sugary things, sugar candies, soft drinks, these things. And visit the dentist regularly for your checkup. So these are the ways in which you can protect your teeth from the diseases. Next is, what is digestion? Name any 5 parts of the digestive system. Now, what is digestion? It is the process by which food is broken down into simpler form so that it can be easily taken in or absorbed by the body is called digestion. वो चीज वो प्रोसेस है जिसमें जो फूड है वो स्मॉल पीसेस में ब्रेक डाउन होता है ताजो वो हमारी बॉडी उसको अब्सॉर्ब कर सके. दैट इज कॉल्ड डाइजेशन बिकॉज वी टेक फूड in bigger pieces. Large pieces, they cannot be as it is digested by the body, so they have to be broken down into the smaller pieces. That is called digestion. And which are the five parts of the digestive system? Start from the mouth, because digestion starts from the mouth itself. Mouth is the first part, then food goes to the food pipe, that is esophagus. Then your cyclic organ, that is the stomach. Then small intestine, then large intestine. Then these are the five parts. Next is, what are microbes? Give any three uses of microbes. Microbes, they are the small living things जो बहुत ज़्यादा छोटे होते हैं. Very small living things that cannot be seen with the naked eyes. They can only be seen with the microscope. Any uses of microbes? Microbes, they are used in making bread. Second is, they are used to convert milk into curd. Then they help in the digestion of food, because in our stomach also microbes are there. They are the useful microbes जो हमारे फूड को डाइजेस्ट करने में हेल्प करते हैं. And the next is, microbes, they help in the process of rotting of dead plants and animals. Rotting means to go bad, जो खराब कर देते हैं. मीन्स जो डेड प्लांट्स हैं, एनिमल्स हैं, वो अब हमारे यूज के नहीं है. When they die, they are converted into other forms, like ह्यूमस में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं. उनको कौन करता है ह्यूमस में कन्वर्ट? That is the microbes. Name any 4 microbes and 2 diseases each of them cause. This is given on page number 26. 4 microbes, you know, virus, bacteria, protozoa and fungi. जो दो diseases वो cause करते हैं, that you have to write. Virus, common cold, polio. Bacteria क्या करता है? Typhoid, जो हमें fever हो जाता है, and cholera. Cholera is vomiting and loose motions लग जाते हैं, जो that is cholera. फंजाई क्या कॉज करती है? रिंगवॉर्म, स्किन डिजीज होती है जो रिंग हो जाती है हमारी स्किन पे. एंड वन इज एथलीट्स फुट, दैट इज अ डिजीज ऑफ द फुट, जो फुट में स्वेलिंग हो जाती है, रैशेस हो जाते हैं हमारे. देन प्रोटोजोआ, इट कॉजेज फूड पॉइजनिंग हो जाती है हमें, जो फूड प्रॉपर्ली डाइजेस्ट नहीं होता. एंड वन इज मलेरिया इज दैट इज कॉज्ड बाय मॉस्किटो में वो प्रोटोजोआ होता है जो हमारे अंदर एंटर कर जाता है. देन मलेरिया इज caused. So that, but this is all about chapter number 2. This is the only thing that is given in your chapter also. So now, well prepared for your exams. All the best, bete. Get good marks, and I'm sure you will get good marks as everything is revised properly. So once again, best of luck for your exams. Thank you and have a nice day.